Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Chevy Traverse and I will show you which fuse to check in case you're having problems with the power mirrors. This video should apply to first generation of Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Before I show you the fuse, I just want to add, fuse is the first thing you want to check, but also these vehicles are kind of famous for power mirrors or power window switches failing. So once you check the fuse, if the fuse is good, next thing I would focus on is testing the switch. And to remove this switch from the door panel, if you own 2009 to 2012, this insert just pops out and you can easily remove the switch. But if you own 2013 to 2017, you have to remove the complete door panel to be able to access that switch, because this piece is actually riveted in and it doesn't pop out, so pay attention to that. The fuse you want to check will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger's cabin under the glove box. So it's all the way down here. So first thing you have to do, you have to lower down this like a small black door. So you have like a handle here, just want to pull it down all the way. And all the way back there, you will see the fuses. So I'll turn on the flash on my phone and I will zoom in a bit. Okay. So unfortunately it's not the easiest to reach, but it's doable. And the power mirror switch will be this 15 amp blue fuse in the right column, so fourth from the bottom. I hope you can see it. I will try to zoom in a bit as well. Okay, so this first blue fuse, this is the one you want to check. So this one here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.